the rotation of the quad. It's going to be hard to feel in the beginning because you won't. You need to pass through, time. Like you need to do the form thousands of times. If you do the form once a day, 365 days a year, so about 2-3 years, you should be able to feel the rotation of the quad. If you do the form twice a day or 3 times a day, then it's going to be much quicker. And then the other thing it is when you do the form in a slow one, let's say you set up a timing, I need to do the form in 40 minutes, then it's going to be good, quicker to feel the rotation of the quad. Then another way is the shortcut. Shortcut, which means you need to use a tool. In the old time, it's the guandao to prepare the rotation of the quad. Rotation of the quad is the same as rotation of the dantian. Then I didn't find my guandao, so we use this one for long pole. This is what we call this, a broom, right? So this is wet, and this need to be very light. If you have a bigger one, which is fine, but and then when you wet it, you see it's very imbalanced. It's not balanced. So in a long pole, it's 4 vertical circles. So the front leg, the right leg in the front, then the right hand is going to be in the front. Then you do 2 circles. One is this one. So use the weight, drop it and then bring it up. Drop it and bring it up. Drop it and bring it up. Drop it and bring it up. And then drop it and bring it up. In the beginning, you use the quad to follow the weight of the long pole. So it's like this, it's easier. Then it's going like this. But this one is very small. Even though I wear it with the water, it's like this to feel the weight. Then the left hand is going to help. So the quad, do this. So follow the weight is usually from 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock. And then if you follow the momentum, you can follow it to 9 o'clock and then come back to 12 o'clock. So mainly it's the dropping of the weight. And then reverse it. So use this. So use the quad to follow the weight of the long pole. This side is the same way as this way. And then this way. Follow it. Then later on, you are going to use the quad instead of your arm to move the long pole. So you see here, I don't move. I'm not going to move. Then reverse it, and do it. Sing. So if it's 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock, then you're going to sing the cup. Then hopefully you can press this. So use the right one. This way for like in root you can come out to see and so you should disturb, and then sing the elbow. When I pick it up, this hand is going to be, the front hand is going to be hold more weight. So make sure sing the elbow, sing the elbow, sing the elbow to pick it up, sing the elbow to pick it up. And here, sing the elbow to pick it up, sing the elbow to pick it up. This one, I don't feel comfortable since it's too light. Too light in there. Then you may able to add more weight in the front. Then you don't need the long pole. Why the long pole? Long pole is heavier. If you hold the long pole like this, which means it's nothing. You don't feel it. But if you hold the long pole, let's say 9 feet long pole, that is very heavy. So this is use the tool. Someone say, I don't like weapon, it is too violent, which is fine. Do not regard it as a weapon. Regard it as a tool. So anything is a tool. I mean, shuffle. You can use the shuffle to do it. Shuffle is a tool. Or that thing used to take. I forgot the name of that tool. Because it's the metal in the front. And then the pole in here. So use the, that is the using, and then you can either use this way and look at this way, and then do this, or in the front use this. And then the other one, the other way, that is using the tool. That's the quickest way. But if you don't know the form, even the form is the same thing. If you have this is another way. Make sure you use glove because it rubs in the hand. Make sure you sand the long pole very, very fine. Otherwise, the stitch will hurt your hand. The other thing is use the glove anyway, or using the glove in Dollar Tree. The one that you handling the in the kitchen, those gloves is fine because it rub. So if you this way and then pull this way, 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 pull. Then you change the leg. So that is using the hook.